This video will be about the reduction of aldehydes and ketones, or the addition of hydrides to the carbonyl. Aldehydes and ketones can be readily reduced to form primary and secondary alcohols, respectively, using a hydride source. As we can see here, we can have a ketone that is being attacked by a hydride, which will add to the carbon, which is the electrophilic site, kicking out the oxygen as a leaving group, but of course the oxygen does not leave, leaving behind an alkoxide, which can then further go on and protonate. So we'll look at some examples. Here we have butanol. Please name a reducing agent, a good source of hydrides. I'm waiting. Yes, of course, lithium aluminum hydride, which of course needs to be followed by an acid wash. I don't know why I put a 3 there. And we end up with a primary alcohol. What about a ketone? Well, let's take cyclopentanone. Name another reducing agent. Oh yes, of course. We would have sodium borohydride, NaBH₄, say with some methanol, H₃O, which will also protonate our product as it goes to give us a nice secondary alcohol.